today is an exciting day. It's a very beautiful day, high at 90 here in western Pennsylvania. This is our second year growing and preserving food in the garden, and we've done a lot of picking beans and sealing and freezing our green beans. I've done a couple cans of banana peppers. We pulled 2 of the 3 rows of our potatoes, and we need to get them canned throughout the coming week. But today is really exciting because the corn is ready, and we need to get all the corn off the cob and get those canned and frozen. So that's the plan today.
Boy, these are some good looking ones here.
Look how big that thing is.
That's an ear of corn there. It's what, 14 or 15?
Maybe one for Maya.
Tiny little bugger. You see how the hairs, we're wanting the ones that the hairs are dead.
Oh.
Tough one.
Yeah. Come on.
Yank it.
How about this one? Little one. Might be another Naya corn. All right.
Did you count how many you had?
No. Do you want to start with this, or do you want to do some more?
No, I think we should start with that.
All right, I'll meet you there. Good job, dweeby. We got a little bit of a late start today because we were low on vacuum seal bags and lids, so we had to run to the store and get those. So we're doing this midday, but you gotta do it when you gotta do it. Another little one.
I've got one up here too. Yeah, see.
This one's a little one too, actually.
They're all pretty small. Again, it's just a sign of the year, and I also think a lot of it also has to do with us not watering daily. Last year we gave them a little bit of water every, see.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's nothing.
We need to get it all off of there today. Every bit of it needs to get off of there.
Here, babe.
I'm taking that to the girls.
Okay.
You want to try to salvage it, or?
No. We still have a few rows.
All the good stuff's above where we were at. Here, girls.
Yeah, it's good that we did get it picked then.
I've been wanting to pick it since like Tuesday. I'm like, just wait for the weekend. Wait for the weekend. We're going fucking crazy over that piece of corn.
First batch is shucked and ready. It'll go into the boiling water. We will blanch it for a couple minutes. It'll come out. We'll cut it off the cob, start packing the jars, get that in the canner. Once we have our 8 jars in the canner, we'll go back over to the garden, pick a few more, and then the next batch we will cut and put in vacuum seal and freeze it. Ready, baby? Is that boiling?
Yep. How long are you supposed to let it boil?
2 minutes.
Set a timer for 2 minutes. We want to go from this to cold though, don't we? That's good. Oh, it's good. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Oh shit. We need to get water in here. These should have been warming. Now, can I put this water in here?
It's gonna break.
Oh.
If we get a pan, I can put some of this hot water in it. Cool it down a little bit because that's hot. It will break the jar. It will. You probably don't need much, just to knock the boiling out of it, you know?
Yeah. I forgot all about getting my jars
I didn't even think about it.
warm.
I really like my chickens.
I do too. I love them.
Fuck out of here.
All right, we're warming now. You think we're gonna have enough for 8 jars?
I do. It's gonna be close, but yeah, I do. I didn't even count what was there. It was probably 2 dozen.
We were about this close to canning in the kitchen and the house this year.
Cabinets and appliances.
It's a big expense.
How cool would it be to be breaking down chickens in there?
No. We're ready. We'll get there. If not this year, next year for sure. What's a big one though?
I feel like we're gonna let people down.
I know. That's like I've got more pressure on it for Graham than I do for ourselves.
Yes. I know that sounds weird.
Thanksgiving at the farmhouse, like, yeah, that is super cool.
You're so small, BB, even the chicken can steal your corn.
That's so funny. Did the chicken really just take her corn?
Thelma just walked up there and took it from her.
Gosh.
BB's sitting there just looking at her like, really?
I'm gonna do a quarter teaspoon.
You're
or
a good girl.
Quarter or half?
Salt?
Yeah.
Half.
Half?
We like salt.
We packed all our jars with corn, added salt, debubbled, wiped the rim, added the lid, and tightened it just enough. We did that 8 times for a full canner and started the pressure canning process on those. We did have some corn left over. It was enough to fill 3 bags, so we got those vacuum sealed and to the freezer. And then it was time to go pull the rest of the cobs from the stalks and officially harvest all the corn we've grown this year in 2025 that will hopefully satisfy us not just through the winter, but through the year until next season.
Sun on my shoulders, cooler than my hands. Life grows quiet in a way I understand. A breeze through the branches, a song in the pine. The simplest moments are the richest. Every small wonder, I let it unfold. Every new heartbeat is worth more than gold. I wanna chase the light, not the empty goals. Follow the fire, it's burning in my soul. In the rustle of leaves, in the rivers that roll, what fills my soul. Laughter of friends on a long summer night. The glow of a fire, the stars burning bright. Whisper of rain on a tin roof above. Reminds me of grace, reminds me of love. Every small wonder, I let it unfold. Living each moment before it grows old. I wanna chase the light, not the empty goals. Follow the fire, it's burning in my soul. In the rustle of leaves, in the rivers that roll, I keep finding what fills my soul. Time's gonna fade, but the memories stay. So I'll hold on tight to the gift of today. Peace in the silence, joy in the sound. The beauty of life is all around. I wanna chase the light, not the empty goals. Follow the fire, it's It's burning in my soul. In the laughter and tears, in the stories we know, I keep finding what fills my soul. It's the little things, the smallest signs. The love I've been searching for was here the whole time. Breathe it in deep, let the moment take hold. That's what fills my soul. Yeah, that's what fills my soul.
We got a late start, but we got it done. It felt like it went really quick, actually. It took about 4 hours. I love knowing that we got a lot of food in the freezer and enough to last a year. So let's count our bags and see what we have. Our cans are cooling. I thought they were done. Well done, babe.
That's all of it?
Yeah. Didn't that seem to go a lot quicker than last year?
Yeah, we canned it all last year, though.
Oh, that's.
We didn't freeze very much.
Yeah, we did can a lot of it last year. That's why it took so long. Let me count the bags and see how many we got.
I took 3 down already. 4, 5, 6, 7. That one didn't seal.
It must have been my first one.
6.
Oh no. How many?
That's 21, 22, 3 downstairs, 25.
Oh wow.
And then
We still have cans from last
8
year.
cans.
Well, I just wonder, I can't remember what we did last year, and I wonder like what the difference is, because we still have quite a bit of corn left from last year.
Yeah,
It doesn't feel like
yeah.
as much, so
it should be more
yeah. Yeah.
than what we did last year. Or the same amount minimum.
The corn is done. It seemed to go so quickly. Like you spend all that time tending to it, watering the garden, making sure it's gonna be good all year, and then in just a few hours, a whole season of work is done. Just like that. That's just the corn though. We've done a lot already. We've gotten banana peppers canned. We've gotten so many beans, like every other day we are packing and freezing beans. So we're not done yet. Seems like we're just getting started. Honestly, we've pulled 2 of the 3 rows of potatoes, and those are gonna take a long time to get done because we're doing what we skipped last year and we're canning our potatoes. We found we really liked the corn and the green beans frozen over the can though, so that's why we're doing it this way this year. We still have the 8 jars of corn to pull out of the canner, but other than that, the corn's done. Let's put these away. There's all the corn. We got a bunch of green beans. We've also done a lot of broccoli. We still have beans from last year and some corn from last year. So definitely a year's worth of food.
I don't see no deer down there. Deer down there, is it? They had to have been looking at the cans. Must be as they cool down, the pressure sucks that lid down on there.
Yeah.